Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and today we're going to make a highly requested recipe, and that's how to make baked sweet plantains that are filled with cheese and guava paste. They couldn't be easier to make, and I'm going to show you how. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below. So these are the plantains that we're going to use. These are very ripened because they're yellow and they have all those black marks on the outside, so that way we know they're super sweet on the inside. And to peel them, we're just going to cut off the ends. And then with a knife, we're going to make a couple of incisions on the outside just to make it easier to take that peel off. And now we're going to heat some oil and butter in a large pan over medium heat. And we're going to place our plantains in that oil for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they're golden brown on the outside. And we're going to do this on both sides. Once they're browned, we're going to take them out of the pan and let them rest for a little bit. Then with a knife, we're going to cut on top of those plantains. We're not going to cut all the way through. And then we're just going to fill them in with guava paste. And I only like to use a couple of strips because these are very sweet plantains, but feel free to add as much as you want. And now we're going to place some cheese on top of that guava paste. I like to use these mozzarella sticks because it makes it a lot easier, but feel free to use any kind of cheese that melts in the oven, either shredded or in sticks like I'm using. Now we're going to place them on a baking sheet and we're going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese melts on top. And this is how they turn out. Super sweet, super golden brown on the outside, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified of every single video that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.